Are you curious about the incredible journey of human evolution? Life on Earth is a vast and interconnected web. Every species, from the smallest bacterium to the largest whale, is a product of billions of years of evolution. This process, driven by natural selection, has shaped the diversity and complexity of life as we know it. Understanding our evolutionary journey is crucial to understanding our place in this grand tapestry. The theory of evolution is a powerful lens through which we can understand the natural world. It explains how life has changed and diversified over eons, driven by the forces of mutation, inheritance and selection. By studying the fossil record, analyzing DNA, and observing the similarities and differences between species, scientists have pieced together a compelling narrative of life's history on Earth. This story is not just about the past, it also illuminates our present and future. By understanding the principles of evolution, we can better grasp the challenges facing our species, from emerging diseases to climate change. As we delve into the fascinating story of human evolution, we embark on a journey of discovery, exploring our unique cognitive abilities, social structures, and profound impact on the environment. Our branch of the evolutionary tree diverged from that of our closest living relatives, chimpanzees, around 6 to 8 million years ago. These early human ancestors, known as hominids, inhabited the forests and savannas of Africa. They were very different from modern humans, both in their physical appearance and their way of life. Yet, they represent the first tentative steps on the long road to becoming human. Fossil evidence for these early hominids is scarce and often fragmentary. However, each new discovery adds a piece to the puzzle, helping us to reconstruct the lives of these distant ancestors. One of the earliest known hominids is Sahelanthropus tchadensis, whose fossils date back around 7 million years ago. This species, known from a single skull found in Chad, provides tantalizing clues about the earliest stages of human evolution. Another important early hominid is Ardipithecus ramidus, which lived around 4.4 million years ago. Ardi's long arms and grasping feet suggest that she was adapted to life in the trees, but her pelvis also indicates that she could walk upright on 2 legs. These early hominids were not simply chimpanzees on the path to becoming human. Their teeth and jawbones reveal a diet that included a variety of plant materials, indicating their adaptability to different environments. The habitats of these early hominids ranged from dense forests to open savannas, showcasing their ability to thrive in diverse settings. Significant discoveries, such as the nearly complete skeleton of Lucy and Australopithecus afarensis, have provided profound insights into the evolution of bipedalism. Lucy's skeletal structure revealed that she walked upright, a key milestone in human evolution, bridging the gap between tree-dwelling and ground-dwelling lifestyles. Each discovery, from Sahelanthropus to Ardipithecus to Australopithecus, enriches our understanding of the complex journey of human evolution. One of the most defining characteristics of the human lineage is bipedalism, the ability to walk upright on 2 legs. This remarkable adaptation, which emerged early in our evolutionary history, had profound implications for our ancestors' anatomy, behavior, and ultimately their evolutionary success. As the African climate became drier and more seasonal, forests gave way to open woodlands and savannas. This change in habitat favored hominids that could exploit the resources of the open grasslands, where walking upright offered several advantages. Bipedalism freed the hands for carrying food, tools, and infants. It allowed early hominids to see over tall grasses, improving their ability to spot predators and prey. The fossil record documents the evolution of bipedalism in exquisite detail. The skeletons of early hominids like Australopithecus afarensis, famously represented by the Lucy skeleton, show clear evidence of adaptations for both bipedalism and tree climbing. The Laetoli footprints, preserved in volcanic ash, provide a snapshot of early bipedal locomotion. Bipedalism also enhanced mobility, allowing early humans to travel greater distances for food and resources, and to hunt more effectively. This increased mobility and the ability to use tools and build shelters significantly improved their chances of survival in diverse environments. The ability to make and use tools is a hallmark of human evolution. While other animals use tools, humans are unique in the complexity and diversity of our tool use. The earliest stone tools date back around 3.3 million years, marking a leap in cognitive abilities. These early tools, known as the Lomequian, predate the genus Homo. The old Owen tool industry, around 2.6 million years ago, featured simple stone flakes and choppers. These tools were used for tasks like butchering animals and digging for roots. Tool use impacted hominid diets and contributed to brain expansion. The Aeolian tool industry, around 1.7 million years ago, developed hand axes. Hand axes were versatile tools for tasks like butchering and woodworking. Tool use allowed our ancestors to manipulate their environment and expand the human lineage. The process of making these tools involved striking stones together to create sharp edges, a technique that required skill and precision. The significance of these tools extended beyond survival. They fostered social interactions and the sharing of knowledge within early human communities. Over time, the evolution of tool use had a profound impact on early human societies, shaping their daily lives and driving further technological advancements. Africa is the cradle of humankind, a continent rich in history and the birthplace of our species. It is here that our species originated and where our ancestors spent the majority of our evolutionary history, developing the traits that define us today. However, around 2 million years ago, hominids began to venture out of Africa, embarking on a series of migrations that would eventually lead them to populate the globe, crossing vast distances and facing numerous challenges. The first hominids to leave Africa were likely members of the species Homo erectus, a highly adaptable and resilient species. Fossil evidence indicates that Homo erectus had spread throughout Asia by 1.8 million years ago, reaching as far east as Indonesia, showcasing their remarkable ability to adapt to new environments. These early explorers were remarkably successful, adapting to a wide range of environments from the frigid steppes of Europe to the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia, demonstrating their versatility and survival skills. The reasons for these early migrations are complex and not fully understood, involving a myriad of factors that influenced their movements. They may have been driven by a combination of factors, including climate change, competition for resources, and a natural curiosity to explore new territories, pushing the boundaries of their known world. The dispersal of hominids out of Africa was not a single event, but rather a series of migrations and dispersals that occurred over hundreds of thousands of years, each wave building upon the last. As hominids moved into new environments, they encountered different selective pressures, which led to the evolution of regional variations in physical appearance and behavior, shaping the diverse tapestry of humanity we see today. The emergence of symbolic thought and expression marks a profound shift in human evolution. While the origins of art and symbolism are difficult to pinpoint with certainty, archaeological evidence suggests that they emerged gradually over tens of thousands of years during the Middle and Upper Paleolithic periods. These early expressions of creativity provide a glimpse into the minds of our ancestors and offer clues about the development of language, ritual, and abstract thought. One of the earliest forms of symbolic expression is the use of ochre, a naturally occurring pigment for body painting and decoration. Evidence for ochre use dates back at least 200,000 years ago and has been found at sites across Africa. Another striking example of early symbolic behavior is the creation of cave paintings. The spectacular cave art of Europe, such as the paintings at Chauvet Cave in France, which date back around 36,000 years, depict a rich array of animals, including horses, bison, and lions. The development of art and symbolism reflects a growing capacity for abstract thought and a desire to communicate beyond the immediate present. The earliest known cave paintings, found in El Castillo Cave in Spain, date back over 40,000 years and include hand stencils and red discs. Art played a significant role in early human societies, serving as a medium for ritualistic practices, communal gatherings, and the transmission of cultural knowledge. Symbolism was crucial for communication, allowing early humans to convey complex ideas, emotions, and cultural values, thus fostering social cohesion and cultural development. Language, the ability to communicate complex ideas through spoken or written symbols, is one of the defining characteristics of our species. It is a tool that has shaped our history and continues to influence our future. It has allowed us to transmit knowledge across generations, to build complex societies, and to create art, literature, and technology. Through language, we share our experiences, our dreams, and our innovations. While the origins of language remain shrouded in mystery, its emergence represents a pivotal moment in human evolution, setting the stage for the development of culture and civilization as we know it. Early humans used symbols and drawings to communicate long before the advent of written language. The evolution of language was a gradual process driven by a complex interplay of biological and social factors. Our ancestors' need to cooperate and share information likely spurred the development of more sophisticated communication methods. It is likely that language emerged from simpler forms of communication, such as gestures and vocalizations, which are common among primates. These early forms of communication laid the groundwork for the complex languages we use today. As our ancestors' brains grew larger and more complex, they developed the cognitive capacity for symbolic thought and language. This cognitive leap enabled humans to think abstractly and to express ideas that go beyond the immediate here and now. The development of language had a profound impact on human behavior and social organization. It allowed for the formation of larger, more cohesive groups and facilitated the sharing of knowledge and cultural practices. Language also facilitated cooperation and coordination within groups, enabling early humans to hunt more effectively, to build shelters, and to care for their young. This cooperation was crucial for survival and the advancement of human societies. The emergence of language is closely linked to the development of art, symbolism, and ritual. These cultural expressions allowed humans to convey complex ideas, beliefs, and emotions, further enriching the human experience and fostering a sense of community. Our species, Homo sapiens, emerged in Africa around 300,000 years ago. We are the product of millions of years of evolution, inheriting a legacy of adaptations from our hominid ancestors, including bipedalism, tool use, and language. However, Homo sapiens possesses a unique combination of traits that set us apart from all other species, allowing us to reshape the planet and become the dominant species on Earth. One of the key features that distinguishes Homo sapiens is our large and complex brain. This cognitive prowess has allowed us to develop sophisticated tools, to create art and music, and to build complex societies. Another defining characteristic of our species is our capacity for culture. Culture, in its broadest sense, encompasses the shared knowledge, beliefs, customs, and artifacts of a society. The emergence of Homo sapiens coincided with a period of rapid cultural and technological innovation. The development of language was a pivotal advancement, enabling complex communication and the sharing of ideas across generations. Social structures became more intricate, with early humans forming communities that worked together for mutual benefit. Technological advancements, such as the control of fire and the advent of agriculture, revolutionized human life, paving the way for the development of civilizations. The story of human evolution is not over. While the forces of natural selection continue to shape our species, cultural and technological advancements have become increasingly powerful drivers of change. The choices we make today, from the food we eat to the technologies we develop, will have a profound impact on the evolutionary trajectory of our species. One of the most significant challenges facing humanity in the 21st century is climate change. As global temperatures rise and weather patterns become more extreme, we will need to adapt to new environmental conditions. Another major force shaping our future is technological advancement. Advances in fields such as artificial intelligence, genetic engineering, and nanotechnology have the potential to fundamentally alter what it means to be human. These technologies offer tremendous promise for improving human health, increasing lifespan, and enhancing our cognitive abilities. However, they also raise profound ethical and societal questions that we must grapple with. Space colonization presents another potential path for human evolution, offering new environments that could drive unique adaptations. The integration of artificial intelligence into our daily lives and the potential for genetic engineering to enhance human capabilities could lead to a future where the line between human and machine blurs. These advancements will necessitate careful consideration of ethical implications and societal changes as we navigate the complex landscape of our evolving future. By understanding our evolutionary past, embracing the principles of science and reason, and working together to address the challenges facing our species, we can strive to create a future where all humans have the opportunity to thrive. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Think Global for more good content. Your one subscribe will motivate us to create and improve our content.